Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards from ASUS, the Prime B550-PLUS and the Prime B450M-A. Both motherboards offer excellent features for AMD Ryzen processors, but they cater to different needs and preferences. In this video, we will delve into their performance, form factor, and PCIe support to help you make an informed decision. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features PCIe 4.0 support, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better performance with compatible devices. In contrast, the B450M-A utilizes PCIe 3.0, which, while still effective, does not match the speed capabilities of its counterpart. This difference can significantly impact users looking to maximize their system's performance, especially for high-speed storage and graphics cards. When it comes to form factor, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is an ATX motherboard, providing ample space for expansion slots and connectivity options. This makes it ideal for users who need more flexibility in their builds. On the other hand, the B450M-A is a micro ATX board, which is perfect for smaller cases but comes with fewer expansion slots. This can be a deciding factor for builders with limited space. Pricing is another critical aspect to consider. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is priced at $119, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the B450M-A is more budget-friendly at $89, making it an attractive option for those looking to build a capable system without breaking the bank. This price difference may influence your choice based on your budget and performance needs. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the B450M-A have their strengths. If you prioritize performance and expansion capabilities, the B550-PLUS is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact and budget-friendly option, the B450M-A is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.